Hi, welcome to Boevers.
Thank you. Thank you, hon.
The mayor of Boevers. Ivan's going to show you where to sit.
Good morning. Thank you so much for coming. We have a beautiful school, a beautiful community, and I'm so excited to be here today and celebrate that with you all. Boevers Elementary is named after Georgia Boevers. We have the honor of having Nancy Boevers here with us today. Mr. Boevers was a beloved ag teacher, a great champion of union schools and a sponsor, and the legacy that his name has left with us is an honor and a level of character that we strive to continue this day. So thank you so much for sharing your family name with us. We strive every day to bring honor to it in the lives we live and what we teach with our kiddos.
We are the future, we are the power, we are the agents of change. We are the problems, we are solutions, we are the agents of change.
I'm so honored that we also have some of our former administrators who've gone before us and laid the groundwork for what we are today. Thank you all for the work you've done. I see a lot of faces out there that I admire and respect and that I've learned from, so thank you for your presence today. We could not do the work we do here at Boevers and achieve the outcomes for our students if it weren't for our valued community partners. We truly believe school is a team sport. It's all of us working together to help the outcomes for what we want, and I am so grateful for a community that wraps their arms around us and jumps in. Whatever the need is, they're right there. If you are a former teacher, if you would stand at this time, if you have taught at Boevers Elementary. If you are a former student of Boevers Elementary, would you stand up and be recognized, please?
Well, now that I'm superintendent of union and I'm not here anymore, I will tell you, Mr. Bibb, that was me. I let that dog in. I let that dog in through the north doors right over there. He had followed me to school, and I did not realize at the time that was going to be that much of a disruption. So I apologize. All these years later, I apologize for the issues that caused. I want to thank everyone for being here. Students, previous students, educators, parents, community partners. Thank you for showing up today and supporting Boevers. We could not do these great things for our kids and our community without you and without your support. Back in the 1980s, when I was letting St. Bernard into the school, I didn't know what the future held. I didn't know what was going to become of my life. But I knew when people were invested in me, and I knew when people cared about me. And educators at Boevers, they did that. They poured into me every day and got me off on such a great start, started me on a lifetime love of learning. Public education is the pathway out of poverty. It is the launch pad for a successful future. It is the road to hope. This school, this district, what we do is vitally important, not only for our greater Tulsa community and for our kids, but for your families as well. Thank you so much for your support. To the kids that are here, you guys are doing a great job. You welcomed everybody so wonderfully. To everyone here, thank you for your support of Boevers for the last 50 years and your support of the Union District. It's a great day. Thank you.